How to install drawer slide. First, attach the inner rail to the drawer. Take an 18 mm thick board, as standard. Make the rails vertical. Then the drawer is vertical. Secure 3 screws. Double-sided fixation. Take an 18 mm thick board, as standard. Secure the top, middle and bottom sections of the drawer. Measure the height of the drawer above the cabinet. Then fix the rail in the line position. The rails used in general wardrobes are 45 cm deep. The shoe and wine cabinets are 35 or 40 cm deep. There's more than one way to fix the height of a drawer. This method is relatively simple. Fixed rails must be level. Otherwise it will be crooked. Installation complete. Very smooth.